In front of me is POCO X8 Pro Max, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. You need to begin by opening Settings and scrolling to hit Safety and Emergency. Then tap on Emergency Contacts. Select Change Setting and make sure this switcher is blue. Without it, your contacts won't be accessible from locked screen. So after making sure Show when locked is enabled, go back and tap on Add Contact. Select Contacts, hit Always and tap on yours you wanna add. Then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. To change order of them, hit Reorder at the top right corner, hold 1 and drag it to the perfect place. After establishing your list, hit Save at the top right corner. To delete any of them, click on this X next to the one you wanna get rid of and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Don't worry, it won't be deleted from your smartphone, only from emergency contact list. Either way, let's check out if it worked. When I switch off my screen, turn it back on and swipe up, I need to hit Emergency at the bottom left corner. Then hold this blue icon and swipe it to the right. Let go and see my emergency contacts. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!